Okay, it's Kathy at North Shore Real Estate Solutions. We're back at 138 Old Farm Road in Leominster. Kind of in the middle of doing the demo and redoing did the demo and redoing the house. Right now we're working on plastering and putting in sheetrock. This is the front hallway going into the dining room. Took all that lovely wallpaper off, that 1970s sparkly wallpaper, gone. Got some nice hardwood floors going on. I'm going to put some coats of poly on it and stain it. It's going to look great. Still have this lovely, lovely 1970s hutch, but it will be all fixed up and restored and look really cool. Put some new hardware on it. And then this is the kitchen great room, which they've done all the electrical and plumbing. They got the sheetrock up. They're just working on starting the plastering. I think this is the plaster right here. Close up. Oh, nothing in there. I haven't mixed it yet. And we removed that window that was right there. I think it was like a faux stained glass window and some big ugly planter. And let's see. We put new railing on the deck. Looks better already. And again, hardwood floors are down in here. Look awesome. So this is going to be a great room. It's a great room, but it's going to be a great room once it's finished. And now we'll go into the hallway. Go into the laundry room and half bath. If you guys remember, there was a sink here and a sink here. 2 sinks in one room. So we got rid of this sink and we're making it into, I guess, a linen closet, because this house has tons of closets, but you can always use more. And then through here is the laundry. So we put some new flooring down, hardwood floors. It's gonna look great. And then we'll go into the living room, and look at that. All my cabinets arrived. They look awesome. Oh, I won't get you guys, don't worry. The painters are here. Unless they want to be on YouTube. Do you want to be famous? Right. For all like 40 people who look at my video, that's about it. So all the wallpaper's off in here. Got the cabinets, they're gonna look awesome. We're doing the chocolate brown island with the cream colored cabinets. Put all new sheetrock up. Basement looks pretty much the same, so we won't go down there. They're still working on doing the sheetrock down there. And we'll go up here. A little dusty up here. Go into the master bedroom. So this wall looks like it was repaired. We'll go into this beautiful master closet. Love the closet. Love, oh, look at this. They did the double sinks. Oh, sorry about that. They got the double sinks going here in the bathroom. We took the sink out of here in the bathroom. So now it's just going to be a toilet and a shower, which will totally be redone. I promise you, none of that gold will be there. That beautiful view. See, when you're sitting on your throne, this is the view you have. Not bad. Not too shabby. Although your neighbors across the street are going to have a view of you sitting on the throne, so you might need some window treatment. And, all right, going back out. We're done. Working around the painters here. Oh, and guys, remember this lovely bathroom in here? This was just beautiful with the red velvet.
Oh my God.
No more red velvet. It's gone. Just gray sheetrock. And that pink sunken tub. Remember they had that sunken bathtub? Just a regular tub now. Plain old regular tub. Toilet's gonna go there. We're gonna do a double sink in there. It's gonna be awesome. And this is the one bedroom. It has good views. You can't tell because I taped up the windows, but beautiful views again. It's gonna look awesome. And second bedroom with the double closets. They're gonna look good. Boy, how many coats of primer did you have to get rid of that lime green? I think they've got 2 coats of primer on it. It's still green. And this one has a nice view too out the back. Got a little bit of woods in the backyard. It's a really nice backyard. Really private back there. Got woods. It's awesome. Oh, they're starting the banging and the hammering, so that's my cue to leave. When it starts getting noisy, I'm out of here. All right, so hopefully the house will be on the market at the beginning of February. It's gonna look awesome. I'll make sure we show you the finished product. So stay tuned on our website, www.nsresolutions.com. And you can give us a call if you want some more information at 978-809-3999. This is Kathy in Leominster, signing out.